Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are covering one of the most important AWS service called Amazon RDS. If you ever wondered how does AWS take care of backups, patching, failover, multi-agent, read replicas, storage, performance or blue-green deployment, this video will make everything super simple with clean slides and diagrams. So let's start. First we'll understand what is AWS RDS. So basically, it's a fully managed AWS service for relational database that handles backups, patching, high availability, scaling, monitoring, and security. So what you have to do, you have to focus on queries, and AWS handles the heavy lifting. So this is AWS RDS overview. It's fully managed AWS service for relational database. Next, we'll see why do we need RDS. So before RDS, DB admins has to do manually configure and harden DB servers, perform software patching, manage storage and scaling, handle failover and disaster recovery, set up monitoring, manage security, and take regular backups. So missing backups or patchups leads to huge security risk. So RDS automatically do all of this. Next, we'll see supported database engine. So AWS RDS supports MySQL, PostgreSQL, MariaDB, Oracle, SQL Server, and Amazon Aura for high performance engine. Next, we'll see RDS instance type. So basically, there are two types: general purpose and memory optimized. So general purpose is balanced compute and memory and networking, and memory optimized ideal for large in-memory workload for caching, analytics, heavy queries. Next, we'll see deployment model. So first, single agent. So it's basically DB runs in one ability zone, and it is cheaper and best suitable for when we are doing development testing. So not highly available uh, and risk of ability zone outage means downtime. Next, we have the multi-agent. So in this we have primary DB plus synchronous standby DB in another ability zone. So what it makes automatic failover. So it provides high availability and zero data loss, and it's synchronous replication. Next, we'll see what is read replicas and its use cases. So it's used to scale read heavy workload and read only copies for your primary DB. Third, reduce load on primary DB and better performance and lower latency for global traffic. So basically, disaster recovery can promote to standalone DB, and reduce latency means deploy replica closer to users. This point, reduce latency. So it's deploy replica close to users. Next, we'll see multi-agent architecture. So it's include primary DB. So it's handle reads and writes operation. Second, we have multiple read replicas, serve heavy reads. This point, read replicas. It serve for heavy reads. Third point, standby instance. So used for failover. So standby ensure automatic failover. Next point, optional region to region replication means high availability plus high scalability. Next, we'll see blue green deployment. Blue is for current production deployment, green is for safe testing environment. So switch traffic from blue green instantly with zero downtime, zero data loss, safe software upgrades. So both environments must be in the AWS same account. Next, we'll see RDS storage types. Basically, we have two types: general purpose SSD and provisioned IOS SSD. So, what is general purpose SSD? It says 3 IOPS per GB, can burst up to 3000 IOPS, good for dev testing and medium workload. And second one, provisioned IOPS SSD. It has low latency, high consistent throughput, best for large production DB workload. Next we have magnetic. So it's a HDD based flow only for older DB version. Next we'll see RDS configuration components. So it says parameter groups, optional groups, subnets groups, security groups, snapshots for manual and automated. So what is parameter groups? It's control engine level setting. Optional groups enable extra features like encryption, plugins, etc. Subnets groups choose which VPC subnet DB will use. Then we have security groups. Control DB access, who can connect. Snapshot. So backup and restore at any time. Point in time restore. Next we'll see monitoring and security. So first, performance insights, visual DB loads matrix. Second, enhanced monitoring, real-time OS level stats. Then third, audit logs, track all DB activity, encryption at rest and in transit using KMS. Then parameter store, securely stored DB password. Now we'll see key features of and advantage of RDS. So first one, launch production DB in minutes. Second, backups and patching handled by AWS. Third, multi-ability zone. Fourth, automated failover. And fifth, point-in-time recovery. And it's cost effective and scalable. And fully managed monitoring. Integration with EC2, Lambda, and analytics service. Now in the final summary, we'll see AWS remove 80% of DB admin overhead. Second, it has multi-agent, so it's high availability. Third, read replicas for scalability. And fourth, blue-green deployment, safe updates, multiple storage classes for performance, fully managed backups, patchups, and monitoring. And it's ideal for web application and mobile application. So that's all points from the AWS RDS. We'll cover one by one all the database for AWS. So today I started RDS. Next we'll see some another like document DB. There are so many database in AWS. So document DB I will cover next. So that's all from this video.